This month's tech tip is on how to add titles in iMovie9.
In order to place a title in your project, the first thing to do is find the toolbar on the right in the middle of the screen just below the monitor. The toolbar looks like this. Now click on the letter T. This is the screen that will appear below the toolbar. It's called Titles. The Themes panel defaults to None, which is what we use. Just below the Themes panel are thumbnails of the various ways a title can be inserted on your clip. Centered or lower third are the most commonly used ones. Select a thumbnail and drag it over the top of the clip in your timeline where you want a title. You will see the clip turn blue to indicate where the text will be applied. A title can only be applied to one clip of footage at a time. But the title can be applied to just a part of the footage or the entire length of the clip. We'll show you how to adjust the length in just a moment. Creation of the actual title is done with the text editor. It appears in the upper right with a default sample text. To change the sample, click within the box around the sample text and type in what you want the text to say. Mine is "The Hot Dog Man." If you want a subtitle text, do the same thing. Click on the box and type in text, in this case, of Mears Park. Click on Done when you're finished. Here's how the title looks. In order to change the length of time a title appears, double-click on the title panel above the clip in the timeline to get the inspector. The inspector allows you to make changes to your title. The current duration of this title is 3.7 seconds. To make it longer, say 10 seconds, I type in 10 seconds and click on Done. Whenever you've finished work on a particular editing procedure, you click on the Done button for that procedure. You can think of clicking on Done the same as you would click on Save. Now you can see that the length of the title on the timeline has changed from 3.7 seconds to 10 seconds. If you want to change the style of your title, use the inspector again, which you got by double-clicking on the title bar above the clip. This time, from the inspector, click on Titles. This is the screen that appears. To preview a change, click on a style and look on the monitor. This unusual one is called Clouds. This more conventional one is called Centered. After you've selected the style you want, click on Done. It is also possible to change the font type style, color, and size by clicking on the Show Fonts. There are a variety of fonts, colors, and sizes. As always, when you are finished, click on Done. This tech tip has introduced you to making titles with iMovie9. With a little practice, you'll find it's quite easy to add titles to your project in a variety of ways.